my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carly. And you may be wondering, Carly, why are you in a different background? Well, I just thought I want to try a new background today. I want to see how it goes down, if it's better or the other background's better. Just like trying it really, and yeah, that is why. So today's video is going to be a lockdown haul. Now, this has been, I've been collecting up items that I want to use in this video for probably since the lockdown started. Since I posted my first video, I've been collecting items that I bought. So all the items that I have here, I've not just bought in one hit. I've bought, you know, over a certain amount of time that I've needed or, you know, wanted. So the first 3 items are nail polishes. Basically, I went to Superdrug with my mum because she needs to get some cleaning products. And while we were there, I was looking at the nail polishes. And I thought, well, I might as well get, you know, a few nice colours. Well, these are actually, me and Mum are actually sharing these because we just like them. So, yeah. So we just got them that day, and we got a white. It's called Basic B, and it's a white Rimmel Super Gel nail polish. And then we got another Rimmel Super Gel nail polish, and this is called English Manicure. No, English Rose. What am I talking about? And it's step 1 for French manicure, but we thought get the white as well, and that'll be like French manicure, wouldn't it? 'Cause you'll put the white on and the pink. And you know, we're just trying to pamper ourselves, seeing as the nail shops aren't open, just like painting each other's nails and stuff really. And then we thought to add a bit of shine to our life. We got a sparkly nail polish as well. This is from Collection and it's called Spotlight Shine, and the shade is Glitter Bomb 13. In my Day with Streets vlog, you'll see me paint my mum's nails in a French manicure using these 2 nail polishes. They work really well, I think. They say they stay on for 2 weeks, but in reality they stay on for about 4 days, which is not that bad, you know, considering the life of normal nail polish when you paint your nails. Originally $6.99, but I know they were doing a 2 for 1 deal, so that's why we got the 2. And then this one I think was about $1 or $2.99. If I can find them online, I will link them down below. And the next part of the haul is Cult Beauty. Now I needed a night cream mask, whatever you want to call it. Mine was running out. I've had a few. Like I've got a few in like some gift sets and things like that, so I've just been using them non-stop. And then I had one that I actually bought from Superdrug, but that had run out. But I just decided, let me look for a nice night cream. And so this is the Cult Beauty part of the haul. And the only items I bought from Cult Beauty are the same brand, just because that's the way it is really. I bought 2 as a set, and then one was a free gift, and the other one I bought, and I'm going to tell you a little story about it. So basically the first 2 items I got were a Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask by Glow Recipe, and it came with this Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. It just came with this little 4ml version of it to try it out. It was just like the deal they're doing. This is what the sleeping mask looks like. It's quite big. It's 80 mils. £41, but I didn't pay £41 because I'm always looking for deals out here. So I paid £41 for my whole Cult Beauty shop, including shipping and everything. So it comes with a little spatula, looks like this, and it just helps you scoop out the product because the product is very jellified. Not jellified, yeah, liquidy, and if you can see, it looks like this inside. I don't want to pour it out, but it looks like jelly, obviously. So that was the first thing I bought from Cult Beauty. That was the main thing that I was going on Cult Beauty for. I'd read up a lot about it before I'd bought it. I'd done a lot of research, and there was a lot of good reviews on this product because it can include real watermelon, AHA and hyaluronic acid. And it says glowing, radiant and softening. I'll explain more about this product in my next video where I'm going to be doing, I'll explain more about the Glow Recipe products that I've bought in my next video where I'm going to be doing a product review of them. So it'll be more in depth. Brilliant. On to my free gift that I got. So basically I put that in the basket and then it was like, oh, free gift. So I was like, brilliant. And the free gift I got, would you believe, is a mini version of the watermelon sleeping mask. So I was like, brilliant. And this size, this 30mm size retails on the Cart Beauty website for £20.50, and I got it completely free, and I was thinking yes. And then I also got £10 off my order, and then I got 11% cash back. Don't know how I worked that one out, but I did. So basically my whole order came to 51, but I got it for 41. And then the funny story is the last item I ordered was from Glow Recipe, and it was a Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I ordered, so I needed a cleanser for my everyday with my forehead. Sorry, that's my phone. That means someone at the door. Yeah, so I ordered a 30ml version for £10 because I needed a new cleanser and I wanted to try this one out, so I thought might as well. But then when it arrived, I received a 160ml version of the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, which is retailed at £31 and I only paid £10. So I got all these 4 products for £41, which I think is a bargain considering this mask is £41 on its own. I don't know how I managed it, but I basically saved about £50 without even knowing it really. Look. So how funny, amazing deals. I don't know how I did it, to be honest, but I just like amazing deals. I find them and I just, you know, do it. And also, I love this cleanser, so I'm glad that I've got a big version instead of a small one. Now when it turned up, I was like, oh my god, they've actually sent me the wrong product. But the first time ever, it's in my favour. Because normally I receive wrong products and not what I ordered. Well, not normally, but you know when you order something and it doesn't turn up right. So the next shop, the next website, because we can't shop at the moment, the next website I bought stuff from was Amazon. And the things I bought from Amazon was a tripod. It's a rose kind of, it's not rose, it's more like a, I don't know what colour to call it, to be honest. It's like it's like a browny, bronzy kind of tripod, and it's an Amazon Basics tripod, and it was only £10. I'm using it right now to film this video. I will insert a picture here of what the tripod looks like, because obviously I'm using it, I can't show you. First impressions, brilliant. First time I've used it, I thought might as well use it in the haul, seeing as I bought it. Sturdy, really goes up to high lengths and all that, so yeah, brilliant. And the next thing I bought from Amazon was something I've looked for ages, but I couldn't find one that was affordable enough. And it's a jade roller, and it came with a gua sha too, which is like a face stone thing. And basically, this is what it looks like. Jade roller here, gua sha there. I think this was around £8 or £9, but most of the ones I looked at, they were ridiculous prices. Some brands, like some websites like Cart Beauty, Look Fantastic, were selling these for £15. A bit of jade roller, they were selling a stone that's on a stick that rolls on your face, £15. I thought it was a bit ridiculous, so I just kept searching and searching and searching. So it was a jade roller, and it was from Amazon, but it doesn't say what brand it was from, I can't remember. But it come with this cute little card where it tells you where to roll roll the roller over your face in what motions. Oh, and the brand is called Beauty by something Eroke, E-R-O-K-E team. It says this ancient beauty tool will boost your skin's function and naturally enhance your complexion. Achieve radiant results instantly while importing overall skin health for a brighter, rejuvenated look. Wow, that rat is small. The last thing I bought was from Savers, and it is my toner. Now, I've used this toner for a while. I made a mistake the first time I bought it. I bought it from Superdrug, and it was $5.99. And then the second time I was in Savers with my mum, and I saw it, and I was like, oh my god, I can get it from here now. It was only £4 in Savers for a 400ml bottle of toner. That is amazing. So yeah, I get it from there. Got this the other day when I went to Savers. And yeah, I love it. It's so smooth on your skin. When I first used it, I did squeeze out too much, and I was like, oh my god. But yeah, then after a while, after using it the second time, you realise you don't need that much. Let's squeeze a little bit less out. So all I do is just get a little bit on a cotton pad, rub it around my face, and done. So yeah, this is I didn't even say what it was called. Oh, nightmare. So it's called the L'Oreal Paris Fine Flowers Toner. Removes impurities, invigorates and smooths. Rose and jasmine. And it's for dry and sensitive skin. Now my skin is combination dry. That means my skin is oily and dry, but mainly on the dry side. So I don't like chancing it. I would rather just use products that are for dry skin. And it says tested under dermatological control. And this is a large format, 400ml. Yeah, love that. If you're looking for this toner, guys, go and hit up Savers if you have one where you live. If you don't, sorry about that. So that's my lockdown haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I kind of just mainly bought things that I needed and would use. So I needed a face cleanser, I needed toner, I needed a night cream, I needed a tripod for my camera. Didn't need the jade roller or nail polishes, but sometimes you just got to get stuff you don't need, do you? Don't you? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Like my video and share it with your family and friends. And yeah, just enjoy life. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you in my next video, guys, which is going to be a glow recipe review. So look forward to seeing you then. Bye.